When using the wand accessory, pull the wand from the wand duct and attach the crevice tool or combo tool to the end of the wand. The combo tool has two tools in one. The upholstery tool has two sides that flip down when needed. The dust brush is used from the opposite side of the upholstery tool. Support the vacuum with one hand while cleaning with the wand. When finished, replace the wand into the wand duct. Note, when using the ProForce 1500 XP, if the power nozzle motor is running, the motor will automatically shut off if you remove the wand and turn back on when you replace the wand. To properly carry the ProForce 1500 and ProForce 1500 XP, either place your hand under the carry handle or place your hand over the carry handle. Obstructions such as hair, string, and throw rugs may cause the jammed brush roll indicator light to become illuminated and the power nozzle to shut off. If this should happen, first turn off the vacuum and unplug the power cord from the power source. Next, pull the handle down and roll the vacuum body upside down so that you can clearly see the underside of the vacuum. Then, pull out or cut away the obstruction on the brush roll. Once this has been complete, then press the reset switch on the top side of the power nozzle. Plug in the power cord and restart the motor. Obstructions in the hoses or wand may reduce or eliminate suction. If this should happen, it is important that you are familiar with the airflow path and possible obstruction locations. On the ProForce 1500 XP, turn on the vacuum and place a hand over the wand opening to check for proper suction. If there is proper suction, the blockage is in the lower air duct. If no suction exists, blockage is in the hose or filter cover. To resolve this obstruction, open the filter cover and replace the intercept microfilter. A full filter will restrict airflow. If this does not resolve the problem, next, remove the hose from the filter cover by using the quick-release tabs on the side of the hose cuff. Look into the upper hose and wand. Shake or insert broom handle to clear any visible debris. Replace the hose and wand onto the vacuum. To check for obstructions in the lower air duct, disconnect the lower air duct hose on the back of the power nozzle, and visually check the lower air duct hose for debris and remove it if present. To check for unobstructed airflow, turn on the vacuum and place a hand over the opening of the lower air duct. If you feel proper suction, reconnect the lower air duct and resume vacuuming. If blockage is not in the lower air duct hose, then with the bottom air duct hose, upper hose, and wand disconnected, carefully insert a broom handle or any similar item like a short length of hose, pipe, etc., approximately 18 inches into the wand guide on the top of the vacuum housing to dislodge obstruction or debris. Debris should then drop or move into the lower air duct, where you can then remove it with your hand. Reconnect the lower air duct and upper hose assembly and turn on the vacuum.
Today with ProTeam, we're going to learn how to properly wear a backpack vacuum. Prior to operating a ProTeam backpack vacuum, it is important that the product is properly fit to the operator. ProTeam backpack vacuums have adjustable upper and lower back plates for proper fitting depending upon torso length. Adjust the back plates to ensure contact points are being made. Loosen the shoulder straps and waist belt in an open area. Insert the hose into the top of the vacuum. Insert the tools into the convenient waist belt holders. Lift the vacuum by one shoulder strap and slide your free arm into the opposite shoulder strap. Now we need to make the necessary fit adjustments on the following contact points. First, fasten and tighten the waist belt. Make sure the vacuum backplate, which distributes 90% of the vacuum weight, rests upon your hips rather than your shoulders to ensure maximum ergonomic comfort. Next, adjust the shoulder straps so that the unit fits comfortably. Take caution not to over-tighten these straps. Last, fasten and adjust the sternum strap. Slide the buckle up or down for best fit and user comfort. It is critical that the unit's two primary points of contact are at the base of your spine, just above the hips and between your shoulder blades and the upper back area. To know if you have your ProTeam backpack on correctly, you should see a space between the shoulder strap and your shoulders. Your vacuum has now been fit for operation. Now that the product adjustments have been made, connect the power supply cord to the extension cord in a manner that minimizes wear on the cord and allows for safe operation. Thread the extension cord up through the loop system on the Schultz cord holder on the waist belt. The telescoping wand is shipped in two pieces. To put the wand together, untwist the cuff from the end of the wand and slide the cuff onto other wand half. Insert the wand end by aligning the notch and groove. To do this, find the notch on the inside of the wand nut and the groove on the outside of the wand. They must align. Slide down the cuff and twist the wand nut to tighten it into position. To adjust the wand height, simply loosen the cuff and adjust the wand to the ideal height for each operator. Tighten the cuff to lock into place. When attaching the floor tool, be sure that the brass ring is intact with the threaded nut on the end of the wand. Then attach the floor tool by aligning the brass ring with the groove on the floor tool to ensure a secure fit. Twist the wand into the end of the hose. Plug the extension cord into the power outlet. The on-off switch is conveniently located on the waist belt. Turn the unit on and proceed with vacuuming.